order. This is Ross reporting for Kea Kids News. Fortnite has released kid-friendly versions of adult games. Some kids out there are playing M or R-rated games. I'm sure you know what they are. Well, very mean and nasty, they can be lots of fun. So Fortnite has answered to this problem, making their own kid-friendly versions. Introducing LEGO Fortnite Brick Life. I'm here with my group of Kea Kids game critics ready to test one out. Let's see what the critics think about LEGO Fortnite Brick Life. Take us through the basic gameplay.
You can travel to different places in cars or by legs, and you can collect stuff from the shop.
I mostly drove around and I tried to explore different places and see what it was all about.
So Philo, take us through the basic gameplay.
When you spawn, you have to find interesting things to do. It's super fun to play with friends. Solo, if you are playing for solo, it's still pretty fun. You can get a house and you can decorate it.
What do you like about the game?
I like that when you go to the shops, you can actually buy stuff from there.
What was the most fun thing that you did in the game?
Probably drive around.
What was your favourite moment in the game while you were playing?
Definitely decorating my house, yeah.
So what did you like about the game?
It was pretty nice how you're not really surviving anything. You just get to go and have some fun, explore the places, and it's really cool. And I liked how you could actually go and eat the food on tables or wherever you'd find it.
Do you think your parents would like you playing this game?
Yes, probably.
Is this similar to any other games you've seen?
It is quite similar to the normal Fortnite, just without the violence and surviving.
Do you think this is similar to any adult games?
No,
Why is that?
because there's no intense stuff. It was pretty chill, there's no violence or anything.
It's great that it's entertaining for all people. If fighting games aren't for you, you might like LEGO Fortnite.
What didn't you like about it?
Maybe as you level up, you might be able to unlock different places, and maybe you might want to put a story behind it.
What do you think of the LEGO Fortnite crossover?
Well, I think it's pretty cool and I honestly love it.
Remember to always play in short bits and get outside and touch grass. This has been Ross reporting for Kea Kids News. Thanks to New Zealand On Air.